So this is my review on the 14th Dr. Sonic screwdriver. As you can see, the packaging looks pretty cool already. This is a better view of the box. So this is the limited edition online exclusive of the 14th Dr. Sonic screwdriver, which will be used by David Tennant, portraying the 14th Doctor. Now, outside the packaging, looks pretty cool itself. As you can see, got a blue light. Not only that, it extends. Then blue light right here. And if you press it twice, you then get a different sound. Press it 3 times. Another sound. Could have been 4 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5th sound. And if you take this off and this for a few seconds, you then get a green setting, which is quite a bit louder. And looks pretty good like this too. So looking awesome so far. And that sends it to its original colour. And this is the yellow setting. Looks a bit more yellow in real life. And the 3rd secret setting is the red setting. Again, which has pretty much the same sound as the green setting, but there will be a retail Sonic in about a month, which of course won't have these settings because they're only on a limited edition one, and it has like this twist control thing. So, and it does have some resemblance to old Sonics, such as this one here, Temp. As you can see, you got like a similar pattern there. So the bottom's quite similar there, where it sort of tapers off. And of course, there's both of them together. Well, the blue lights might have some resemblance, considering David Tennant has played both of them. And overall, this might just be my favourite Sonic so far.